What if I inform you this large, delicious sweet potatoes came from a $2 bucket in my backyard? No yard, no sophisticated tools, just patience. I will share with you this approach. Prepare to find out how to grow sweet potatoes like an expert, even in your flat. I attempted something last year that I thought was absolutely insane. I wonder if I could grow sweet potatoes in a container on my little pouch after seeing the video of someone growing sweet potatoes in a garbage bag. From only two containers, I ended up with more than 15 pounds of sweet potatoes. With patience and the proper approach, no greenhouse, no soil test. Tell me in the remarks, have you ever grown your own sweet potatoes or potatoes at home? First of all, how do sweet potatoes grow? Their composition sets them apart from common potatoes. From slips, which are sprouts from an established sweet potatoes grow. You can cultivate slips by letting a sweet potato half sprout by soaking in water for a few weeks. Fun fact: unlike traditional potato cultivation, sweet potatoes develop from vine shoots rather than tubers from ice. Growing sweet potatoes in a bucket, bag, or any container call for a 5 to 10 gallon bucket or grow bag. Well draining composite soil, slits, sunlight minimum 6 hours daily. Half fill your container. Softly bury the slits around 4 inches deep and then cover the roots. Add dirt near the bottom as the vines develop. This encourages the plant to generate more sweet potatoes. About 4 inches is how deep to plant potato or sweet potato slips. Then how long do sweet potatoes take to grow? Between 90 and 120 days. Yes, they drag their time. Believe me, it's worth it. Regularly water them, especially during hot temperatures. Make sure your soil is wet but not too much. Make certain drainage holes in the bag or bucket. Yellowing leaves might signify overwatering or pests. Sweet potatoes are surprisingly low maintenance. Comment if you ever wonder how to grow sweet potato can be so easy. Do you agree? The leaves will begin turning yellow normally around the 100th day. So you will know it's time to harvest. Dig gently. Stepping should be avoided. These roots bruise fast. Let them cure for 710 days in a warm, dark area following harvesting. When they become sweeter and starch becomes sugar. Pro tip: try how to cultivate sweet potatoes in a bag. Reusable grow bags work great and offer as much yield if you lack room. And this is how you might make a container a sweet potato farm. This approach works whether you want to cultivate sweet potato in a container, a bucket, or even a bag, no matter your location. Therefore, the answer is right now. If you have been wondering how to grow potatoes, how deep to plant them, or perhaps when to plant potatoes, begin now. Which next do you want to cultivate? Potatoes? Carrots? Onions? Tell me in the comments and I'll make a thorough video for you. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell. More food growing are on the way. Thank you.